Maybe you're tired of navigating clunky bank apps or that monthly service fee mysteriously appearing every month. Enter Venmo, the popular payment app known for splitting bills with friends and that adorable cartoon owl logo. But can it handle something as serious as your paycheck? Surprise! Venmo actually offers direct deposit functionality. That means you can ditch the paper checks and have your hard-earned cash flow directly into your Venmo account. But before you get starry-eyed about ditching the bank altogether, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of Venmo direct deposits. So, how much can you really direct deposit into your Venmo account? Unlike traditional bank accounts, Venmo doesn't advertise a hard limit on direct deposits. That sounds pretty enticing, right? Well, hold on to your hats, because there's a catch, isn't there always? Verification is your friend and gatekeeper. Venmo operates on a tiered system when it comes to limits. The key to unlocking the full potential of your Venmo direct deposit lies in completing identity verification. This usually involves providing your social security number, driver's license, or passport. It might seem like a hassle, but for security reasons, and to access some pretty sweet features, it's a necessary step. The unverified life, limited but functional. If you haven't verified your identity yet, don't despair. You can still use direct deposit on Venmo, but with a significantly lower limit. We're talking a maximum of $299.99 per week. That might be enough for casual users who just want to top up their Venmo account for occasional payments, but for anyone considering replacing a traditional bank account, this is a non-starter. The verified paradise, a land of almost unlimited cash flow. Once you've gone through the verification process, Venmo opens its digital vault doors a bit wider. While there isn't a publicly announced hard limit, some sources suggest verified users can direct deposit significant sums. We're talking upwards of $60,000 per week. That's enough to cover most paychecks for the average person. But here's the thing. Even with verification, there are a few things to keep in mind. For one, Venmo itself might have internal limitations that aren't publicly disclosed. Additionally, your employer or bank might have their own restrictions on direct deposits to non-bank accounts. It's always best to check with both parties before making the switch. Beyond limits, security and other considerations. Security is obviously a top concern when dealing with your hard-earned cash. Venmo assures users that direct deposits are protected by FDIC pass-through insurance via Wells Fargo Bank. That's a fancy way of saying your money is insured up to a certain amount in case something goes wrong. However, Venmo is primarily a peer-to-peer payment app. While it offers features like a debit card and bill pay, it might not have all the bells and whistles of a traditional bank account. Think things like automatic bill pay, investment options, or extensive customer service. So, should you ditch your bank for Venmo direct deposit? The answer, like most financial decisions, is a resounding it depends. If you're a freelancer or someone with a steady income stream that falls within the verified limits, Venmo direct deposit could be a convenient option. Plus, the ability to manage your money and send payments all in one app is certainly appealing. But for those who crave the security and features of a traditional bank, Venmo might not be the complete replacement. It can, however, be a great secondary account for managing everyday spending or splitting bills with friends. Ultimately, the choice is yours. Do your research, weigh the pros and cons, and decide what best suits your financial needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.